Now turn to page 112. Lesson B, outside chores. 1. Vocabulary focus. So let's listen to the track.
Page 112, Lesson B, Exercise 1. 1. Cutting the grass. Cutting the grass. 2.
Getting the mail. Getting the mail.
3. Taking out the trash. Taking out the trash. 4.
Walking the dog. Walking the dog.
5. Washing the car. Washing the car. 6.
Watering the grass. Watering the grass.
So picture number 1, cutting the grass or cutting the lawn. Grass is same as lawn or mowing the lawn. So this is a lawnmower. There's a riding mower. There's a push mower. So this is or hand mower. And I'm sure you've seen a riding one. Those are for like a big lawn. And this is a fenced yard. So this is the maybe backyard, front yard, not sure. And number 2, he's getting the mail. And this is the mailbox. Number 3, taking out the trash. That's the trash bin or garbage bin. That's the trash bag. All the trash is inside here, or the garbage. So we're taking out the garbage, same thing. Or the waste, taking out the waste, trash, garbage, all synonyms. Number 4, walking the dog. She's walking the dog on a leash. This is called a leash. And the dog has a collar, a dog collar, and that's the leash. Washing the car. Number 5. She's washing the car with a hose. That looks like a garage. And she looks like she's washing her car on her driveway. Number 6, watering the grass or watering the lawn. And you could water the lawn with a hose like her, or you could have a sprinkler. Sprinkler is you place it on the lawn and it just sprinkles everywhere. Number 2, practice, read, and match. 1, that would be getting the mail. And it looks like our friendly neighbor is mowing the lawn or cutting the grass. Number 2, picture number 2, he's washing the car with a rag. And his friend or his father is watering the lawn. Picture number 3. She is walking the dog and he is taking out the trash. Taking out the trash. Now let's go to page 113. Listen and repeat. Then write.
Page 113. Lesson B. Exercise 2B. 1. What is Mrs. Navarro doing?
What is Mrs. Navarro doing?
Watering the grass.
Watering the grass.
2. What is Mr. Navarro doing?
What is Mr. Navarro doing?
Cutting the grass.
Cutting the grass.
3. What is Roberto doing?
What is Roberto doing?
Washing the car.
Washing the car.
4. What is Diego doing?
What is Diego doing?
Taking out the trash.
Taking out the trash.
5. What is Norma doing?
What is Norma doing?
Getting the mail.
Getting the mail.
6. What is Rita doing?
What is Rita doing?
Walking the dog.
Walking the dog. So let's look at this picture. Looks like Rita is walking the dog, but this dog kind of escaped from her leash. She's wearing, you see that kind of pants? Nowadays it's really popular. You call it tights or leggings. And the length is like comes to about the calf length. It's called like capri. This kind of length is called capri. And let's look at this car. You see that trunk? Looks like a hatchback. I think this type of trunk, it's like, it's not protruded like this, but it's kind of like flat. These are called hatchback. And Roberto has a bucket to wash his car, or a pail or bucket, soapy water. There's a lawnmower. Maybe it's a push lawnmower. Nowadays there's no like push ones. Nowadays everything's like automatic. And that's the front door. That's the front steps. And that's a sidewalk they're walking on. So now talk with a partner. What is Mrs. Navarro doing? Watering the grass. So I want you to practice that with somebody. And 3, communicate, talk with a partner, act, and guess. I guess you could do that. Whatever they're acting out, and you have to guess it. So he's doing something and she says watering the grass. So pick a partner, you act out, and your partner can guess what you're doing. It could be fun. And let's go to next page, page 114. Lesson C. What are they doing? Grammar focus. Questions with what? Questions. What is he doing? What is she doing? What are they doing? Again, this is a singular verb because the subject is a singular pronoun. Is he, is she, plural verb, plural pronoun. You have to match it. You call this subject, verb, agreement. And also remember the rule, after the be verb, you must have ing. So what does he do? No, you can't do that. What is he doing? Same thing. What is she do? No. You have to do what is she doing. But if you want to use do instead of ing, what do you have to do? You get a different helping verb. Helping verb, if you use the helping verb to be, you must use ing. But if you use the helping verb do, what do they do? Now you have to use the regular form, the main form, the base form. So what do they do? Or what does she do? What does he do? And here are the answers. So remember, guys, to be verb, ing. 2. Now read and circle. Then write. 1. What are they doing? They, again, plural pronoun. That's why you need a plural verb. Making dinner. What is he doing? He, singular pronoun. That's why you need is. Be washing the dishes. So that's a refrigerator, that's a cabinet or cupboard or kitchen cabinet. She's like cutting with a knife. There's maybe salt and pepper shakers. 2. What are they doing? Making the bed or tidying up the bed. What is he doing? Taking out the trash. 3. What is he doing? Washing the car. What is she doing? Watering the grass. So look at the length. This is like, again, capri length. Capri, so capri shorts, capri pants, capri shorts, whatever you want to call. And that's the tire, car tire. And this is, this part, like the metal part, I believe you call it car rim, I believe. And now I'll play you the track.
Page 114, Lesson C, Exercise 2A. 1.
What are they doing?
Making dinner.
What is he doing?
Washing the dishes.
2. What are they doing?
Making the bed.
What is he doing?
Taking out the trash.
So you guys listen and repeat.
3. What is he doing?
Washing the car.
What is she doing?
Watering the grass.
So all these are different types of chores you do at home. Now turn to page 115.
Setting volume.
Listen and repeat.
Page 115, Lesson C, Exercise 2B. 1.
What are they doing?
Getting the mail.
Two.
What is he doing?
Making lunch.
3. What are they doing?
Cutting the grass.
4. What is she doing?
Doing the laundry.
5. What is she doing?
Drying the dishes.
6. What are they doing?
Taking out the trash.
Okay, so picture number 1. She is getting the mail for her brother. And you see that red flag. Usually, if you put the mail in, then you put this up to let your mail carrier know that you are sending out a mail, sending out a mail. But if you put this flag down, that means there are no outgoing mail. So if you put the mail inside this mailbox and put this flag up, that means it's an outgoing mail. You're asking the mail carrier to take the mail. And the mail carrier will put this flag down to let you know that he did take it. Or a postman, mail carrier, postman. Number 2, he's making lunch. He is heating up his lunch in the microwave. There's a can of something, maybe can of soup. He opened the can of soup and he is heating up in the microwave. He's making lunch. Number 3, that looks like a real push mower, hand mower. Like you have to actually push it. It's not automatic. You cannot just, turn on a button and it would just cut it for you. This is very hard. You have to actually push it from behind, like walk behind this push mower. And number 4, she's either putting a dirty laundry inside the washer, or maybe she's taking out from a dryer. This is the front load, so I'm not sure. This is a washer or dryer. It doesn't matter. It's a front load. And if it's on top, you call it top load. And number 5, she's drying the dishes with her kitchen towel or kitchen towelette. And that's a dish rack. Number 6, they're taking out the trash. That's a trash bag. And that's a trash bin.